Hey, what's up? This is your boy Chefyummi. Welcome to my page, my community, my office, my happy place where I get jiggy with it. Today, I'm gonna be making chicken dumpling soup. The weather is cold. It's Christmas season. People want to be cozy. What best way can you be much more cozier with a hot bowl of soup packed with flavor, dumpling and chicken? Everything melting and busting in your mouth. Man, I can't wait. Let's go to the kitchen. We're not making an ordinary chicken dumpling soup. We're making Chefyummi chicken dumpling soup. Let's go. You chop some red onions. Chop some celery. Carrots. Garlic. Finely chopped. There you go. Your veggies are good. Now we mix the dumpling, baking powder, Chefyummi seasoning, mix well and add water, add eggs and mix. Onto the cooking. Some oil of choice. In this case I chose avocado. Add the chopped veggies, stir in. And now add the chicken. Stir in. Add some Chefyummi seasoning, add butter and some flour and stir in to thicken the pan. Now you can pour in your chicken broth, let it boil. Drop in your dumpling mix, add whipped cream, let it cook a little. And now I go add my black pepper and some cayenne pepper, just a little bit of heat. Stir everything in. And now I'll be generous with my chopped green onion. Woo! Now look at the creaminess. Yum. So this is my own version of the chicken and dumpling, which is full of flavor, aroma. The spring onion just makes it pop in your mouth. Enjoy it. Till next time, happy eating. Chefyummi. Hey, wait. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, show some love, comment. Let's have fun. Chefyummi on YouTube.